emergency broadcast from the BBC. The BBC has received reports of a contagious virus spreading within the United Kingdom. This virus originally broke out of a Cambridge research centre, and over the last couple of hours it has spread far and wide. The virus primarily spreads through direct contact with bodily fluids, such as blood or saliva. Symptoms of this virus include the following: extreme aggression, red eyes, blood dripping from the mouth, blood vomiting, enhanced agility, speed and an inescapable grip. Being bitten or being exposed to any blood or saliva inside your body will kill and turn you within 30 seconds. All residents of the United Kingdom must return home and stay home until the outbreak has concluded. Take shelter and reinforce doors and windows. Secure all entry points to your property. Do not let anyone in under any circumstances, even if they are friends or family. This is a critical moment for us all, and your compliance and cooperation is crucial